At 65, my house felt too quiet, the silence echoing my own loneliness. Days turned into long evenings, and I found myself longing for connection and a sense of purpose. Despite the world going digital, I felt invisible and disconnected from it all. Watching friends spend time with their grandchildren or fill their days with activities made my own life seem stagnant. Social gatherings became rare, and I feared becoming irrelevant, like life was passing me by, and I was merely a spectator. Technology felt like a barrier rather than a bridge. Smartphones were confusing and social media daunting. I missed the days of handwritten letters and phone calls, feeling left behind in a world that was moving too fast for me to keep up. Most days, my interactions were limited to brief chats during errands. Weekends felt particularly long and empty. I struggled to find a sense of purpose and began to wonder if this was all life had to offer at my age. Health issues became a constant worry, with frequent doctor visits and the persistent reminder of aging through aches and pains. I feared becoming dependent, and health anxiety started to overshadow my daily life. One day, while flipping through an old photo album, I saw a vibrant version of myself that I longed to reconnect with. The realization hit me hard. I needed to seek change if I was ever to find joy again. I considered joining local clubs and volunteering, even thought about learning new skills. But fear of judgment and feeling out of place held me back, making it difficult to take that first step toward connection. An invitation to a family event landed in my mailbox. Reluctant at first, I decided to attend and soon saw the joy in reconnecting with family. It was a small step, but it reminded me of the importance of human connection. During that family gathering, my granddaughter took the time to introduce me to Facebook and Instagram. Her patience and encouragement sparked a curiosity in me, and for the first time, I felt a glimmer of confidence in embracing technology. With my granddaughter's help, I created a simple Facebook profile. Nervous about posting and sharing, I slowly learned how to connect with old friends and family. The possibility of reconnection excited me. Through Facebook, I rediscovered old high school friends and distant relatives. Sharing memories and laughter brought a sense of belonging back into my life. I began to feel connected to a larger community once more. Initially, I was unsure of what to share, worried about digital privacy. But with baby steps, I overcame these fears and found joy in sharing small moments of my day, which made me feel more connected to others. Joining groups that aligned with my hobbies and interests opened up a whole new world. I found support communities for my health issues and connected with like-minded individuals, experiencing a newfound sense of community. Participating in an online book club, engaging in lively discussions, and sharing ideas with others rejuvenated me. The stories and ideas exchanged inspired me and made me feel intellectually stimulated once more. I noticed a positive shift in my daily routine. Feeling less isolated and more connected, I realized the positive impact social media had on my life, and I felt eager to explore more of what the digital world had to offer. Embracing this turning point, I decided to set goals for social engagement and began exploring new digital platforms. I was excited for the journey ahead and the connections I would continue to build. As I continued to engage online, my initial fear of technology began to fade. I enrolled in online courses to learn more, gained confidence using new apps, and gradually became more tech-savvy. I explored digital photography and joined virtual art classes, reigniting my passion for creativity. The joy of learning something new brought a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment to my days. Through social media, I connected with people of all ages, sharing experiences and wisdom. I formed meaningful bonds and expanded my social network globally, which enriched my life beyond measure. Hosting a virtual family reunion was a major breakthrough for me. Bringing distant relatives together, sharing stories, and creating new memories made me realize the true power of digital connectivity. I joined health support groups online, where I found valuable advice and connected with others facing similar issues. This community empowered me to manage my health more effectively and reduced my anxiety. Initially worried about the cost of new hobbies, I discovered free resources and learned about budgeting online. This knowledge provided financial peace of mind and allowed me to pursue my interests without worry. Learning about digital etiquette was a challenge, but understanding the nuances of online communication helped me avoid common pitfalls. It boosted my confidence and made interacting online more enjoyable. Sharing my journey and encouraging fellow seniors to embrace social media allowed me to become a source of inspiration. I even mentored others in online groups, inspiring them to embrace technology and find their own paths to connection. The persistence paid off as I gained new skills, confidence, and experienced personal growth. I enjoyed a vibrant social life and felt empowered by the achievements I made along this journey. Starting a blog about my experiences was unexpected, but immensely rewarding. Sharing stories and tips allowed me to connect with a wider audience and discover a new purpose in writing. Documenting family stories and history, sharing life lessons, and creating a digital legacy became a project close to my heart. I felt proud knowing my contributions would be valuable to future generations. Virtual volunteering allowed me to contribute to causes I cared about from home. Connecting with like-minded volunteers and making a difference brought fulfillment and joy to my life. Trying different online courses and exploring diverse interests led me to discover passions in unexpected places. My world felt like it was expanding, and I was excited by the endless possibilities. With each new skill, my confidence grew. I felt vibrant and invigorated, embracing aging as a journey and seeing the beauty in every moment. My golden years were transformed beyond what I imagined. One day, it struck me that I wasn't just surviving my golden years, I was thriving. Empowered by my online presence, I saw a future full of possibilities and recognized the profound transformation within myself. Despite physical limitations, I adapted activities to suit my abilities. Online fitness classes and health support helped me gain strength and resilience, proving that age was not a barrier to improvement. By embracing my unique journey and sharing my vulnerabilities openly, I received encouragement and support from others. This acceptance made me feel understood and diminished my fear of judgment. Celebrating small victories and acknowledging my personal growth gave me a renewed sense of self. With each achievement, I felt unstoppable in my pursuits, ready to tackle whatever came next. Using technology for regular check-ins and sharing moments with my grandchildren strengthened our family bonds. I felt more connected than ever, building a bridge across generations through these interactions. By sharing my story widely, I inspired peers to explore technology. Organizing local tech workshops, I saw others thrive from my guidance, which was deeply rewarding and reinforced my own journey. My newfound passion for photography allowed me to document daily life and travels. Sharing my photos online, I connected with photography groups and rediscovered the art of storytelling through images. Online cooking classes introduced me to new recipes and culinary creativity. The thrill of trying something new brought joy, and sharing meals virtually with friends added a layer of connection to the experience. Though I experienced technological hiccups, I learned to laugh at mistakes and sought help when needed. These challenges only made me stronger and more resilient in my digital journey. Leading online groups and organizing digital meetups, I became a voice for senior empowerment. This leadership role was fulfilling, adding another layer of purpose to my vibrant life. My life now is richer than ever, with a vibrant social network and a balance of virtual and real-world interactions. I feel a deep sense of fulfillment and embrace every moment with gratitude. Reflecting on my journey, I remember the loneliness of those early days. I'm proud of the transformation I've achieved, grateful for the support I've received, and amazed by my personal growth and resilience. By passing down knowledge to my family and mentoring others, I've left a digital footprint of inspiration. Seeing the impact of my journey on others has been one of the greatest gifts of my life. Building bonds that transcended distance, I shared joys and sorrows with friends and celebrated life's milestones together. The warmth of community filled my life with love and connection. I realized that age is not a barrier to growth. Embracing each life stage with courage, I found new purpose and passion, finally understanding the true beauty that comes with aging. Sharing my stories with younger generations, I inspired openness to change and fostered intergenerational dialogue. I hope to leave a legacy of resilience and hope for those who follow. At 70, I'm thriving both socially and intellectually. Engaged in lifelong learning and enjoying a fulfilling routine, I relish the wisdom that comes with the years and the vibrant life I've created. Embracing change, I adapted to a digital world and found joy in new experiences. Growing beyond my comfort zone, I discovered an inner strength that I never knew existed. I've learned to value the present moment, cherish memories, and the lessons learned. Sharing time with loved ones and celebrating the journey of life has enriched my golden years beyond measure. Transforming loneliness into connection, I became a beacon of change and inspired others with my journey. I continue to grow and evolve, empowered by the transformation I've experienced. Living life with purpose and joy, I celebrate each day with gratitude, finding beauty in every stage of life. I embrace the future with open arms, ready for whatever comes next. Looking back, I'm grateful for the journey I've taken, thankful for the connections I've made, and proud of the life I've built. I remain hopeful for what's to come, knowing that every moment is a gift. Overcoming challenges with grace and finding strength in vulnerability, I've been inspired by life's unpredictability. Resilience has become a lifelong companion, guiding me through my golden years. The wisdom of aging has brought insights from life's lessons, and sharing this wisdom with others has been a privilege. I view aging as a gift and appreciate the journey of growth it encompasses. Volunteering and contributing to society has been fulfilling, leaving a positive impact on others and bringing satisfaction from helping. I've found immense joy in acts of kindness and giving back. I've never stopped learning and exploring, challenging myself with new endeavors. Finding excitement in the unknown, I embrace growth as a lifelong journey, ready for whatever lies ahead. Leaving a lasting impression on others, I've shared stories that inspired change. I hope to create a legacy of love and wisdom, and to be remembered for my kindness and the life I've lived. Cherishing each day as a gift, I've found peace in the present, embracing each moment with joy. Valuing the simplicity of life has brought a profound sense of contentment and happiness. Looking forward to new adventures and anticipating growth and change, I embrace the unknown with courage. Holding on to hope for the future, I'm ready for whatever comes next in this journey of life. If I could transform my golden years, anyone can. By turning loneliness into vibrant connection and being inspired by the journey I've taken, I encourage others to embrace change and prove that life is rich at any age.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.